In this problem, we are going to compare which of the following 5 expressions takes the largest value. A natural approach would be simply calculating these values. Therefore, let's look at A. A gives 10, and B gives 8, and C gives 9, D gives 9, and E gives 0. Therefore, A is the largest. Good. So this seems fairly straightforward and fairly simple, and that is the very first problem in this exam. However, in my opinion, if you choose to take this approach, you are penalizing yourself in the exam, because you still need to calculate 5 numbers. Even though you can finish it like within a couple of seconds, it still takes time. Because if you examine these numbers carefully, you will find something interesting, because there's a 0. There's a 0 in each expression. Actually, all of the 5 expressions have the same 4 integers. The only difference is how we multiply or add them up. However, don't forget, there is 0 in it, which means when you multiply a 0 to any other number, you are penalizing that, right? Because 0 multiply anything equals 0. Therefore, you can eliminate E immediately, and you can eliminate B as well. It's multiplying 2 by 0. As for C, it's penalizing 1, so that's not a large loss. Let's keep it there. Let's look at D. D, you didn't multiply 0 to anything, but you multiplied 1 and 7. Obviously, you are not penalizing it too much, but still you didn't take the max out of it, because 1 multiply anything still equals to that something, right? That's definitely less than 1 plus that number. Therefore, that's not our choice, especially you compare that to A. You see, this is a plus, so you can take off D. And if you look at A and C, so A is the sum of all 4 numbers, while C, you didn't penalize it too much, but you still offset this 1, because 0 multiplied that gives you nothing. Therefore, C should still be smaller than A. So in my opinion, this is a better way to choose A. That's our choice. So by explaining this fairly simple problem in the video, I want to point out that when you solve any problems, any mathematical problems, you always want to examine the details and try to find any pattern hidden in that problem. Don't rush to calculate the concrete numbers right away. Give yourself a few seconds, maybe 5 seconds, to look at, to scrutinize the problem carefully, and then take a better approach. So that's my suggestion. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and thumb up. If you have questions, please comment.